So hello everyone, I am Vihan Gupta, the student of English Mania, and today I am going to talk about a very important topic, and the name of this topic is media. So there are some types of media and advantages and disadvantages also, but most of the people know only this media means TV channel which shows the news, but there are many things apart from it also, and I am going to talk about it. So if I talk about the definition of media, so the definition of media is that media is a source or medium by which we can entertain ourselves, we can get to know about the current affairs running in the country, and we can get to know about the news about business and about murders, about a scam, so that we can be alert and we can be safe in our home. And if I talk about the main purpose of media, so there are many purposes. Like in media, some of people also get the news. Some of people also get the career. Like many YouTubers are there, many news reporters are there, and they can also show the news, and they also get paid for it. Okay, so we can say that it's an advantage. People can make their career and they can earn money, and higher post will be there, so they will earn more money. And if the post is low, so they will earn low money, but they will earn money, it's the guarantee. And if I talk about the advantages and disadvantages of media, so firstly I want to talk about advantages. So as I said that from media we can get to know about the scams, about the current affairs or murders happening in the country, so that we can be safe. From example, when coronavirus came, so we stayed in home and we all used to see the news, like what are the parameters or what are the instructions given by government, so that we can be safe in our home. And it's a very big advantage of media. And second advantage is that people get career. For example, when you open the YouTube or Instagram, so you will get only videos, and these all the videos belong to YouTuber only, and they earn money. But it's the difference. Suppose a YouTuber is very big, so he will earn million or billion of money, and if he is small, so he can earn thousand or lakh of money per year or per month. But we can earn money and we can make our career. For example, T series is there, or many YouTube channels are there, and they earn hell lot of money. And we talk about a question: what if media does not exist? So there will be a lot of loss in our country, that we will not get to know about the current affairs, and we will not get to know about the knowledge, or we will not able to get the news time by time, or we will not be able to update ourselves. And most of the YouTuber, or every YouTuber career will be destroyed. For example, Mr. Beast, Techno Gamers, all of the YouTuber means it is the main incoming source of their business, of their job. They do a job on YouTube, they make video and entertain ourselves. We will not be entertained, and their career will be destroyed. Okay, then they have to find any another job, or they have to do the business. And if we talk about the disadvantages, so there are some disadvantages also which most of the people don't know, because most of the people know about the advantages only, they don't know about the disadvantages. So I am going to talk about it. So if I talk about first disadvantage, so that's it. Sometimes media shows the fake news. For example, suppose they want news, okay, and they are not getting news, and the real news which they get, it's not so means fantastic by which we will see it, and so media will not be able to earn the money. So they can, or they, it might be the case that they show fake news, okay, so then people will be entertained also, and money will be there, okay, so then they will be able to earn money. So it's a disadvantage. For them it's an advantage, but when we will show fake news, okay, and suppose not fake news about suppose it's a small thing, so there is nothing bad, but suppose it's about a bad thing, suppose they are they are showing or telecasting fake news on a bigger scale, so it's a very bad thing, and our mind can get wrong knowledge, okay, so that's a very bad thing. And now second disadvantage is that sometime media gets sold. Means sometime when election are going to come, so before 3 to 4 months, some leader are there, means abhineta, they buy media, after giving 1 to 2 lakh rupees, they buy the media, and they say to it, so they say to them or to media that only show our news and no news should be there. Then media will show only that party's appreciation news, okay, media will show that it's the best party, okay. Like, so that people will think that it's the best party and we should give them vote only. And next disadvantage is that media shows prejudice over subjunctive matter, okay. means the sub judice means the matter which are running in the court, means court कचहरी का जो काम होता है. Okay, and sometimes media decide from early time, means suppose there is a, we can say suppose there is a jailer, and suppose two prisoner run away from the jail, and then all the bad thing will come on the jailer, and then media will started showing that this have done, he have done the thing, and by his help only prisoners are able to learn. So before the order, people will think that, or people will started thinking that this jailer has done all the things. Okay, means वो ऐसा मानने लग जाएंगे कि इसी ने सारा कांड किया, and after some time suppose judge announces that he have not done anything and the prisoner ran because of something else. Okay, so even after that he will be humiliated. Okay, then उसके ऊपर जैसे कि 1-2 महीने मीडिया ने वो चला लिया, मीन्स है ना, मीन्स his respect will be humiliated. Okay, or will be robbed of. And if I talk about the next disadvantage, so the next disadvantage is that media has been biased. As I talk that media has been sold. Okay, so if media has been sold, so media has also been biased. Okay, if I talk how, suppose someone has bought media, so media will only show about himself, about him. Suppose there are two religions, Hindu and Muslim, and Muslim has bought media, or Hindu has bought the media, and a fight happens. So media will only show that Hindu are right, Muslim are wrong, and suppose Muslim have bought the media, so they will show that Muslim are right and Hindu are wrong. So it creates a big thing. It creates a polarization. Media polarize the people on the basis of caste and other things, because when media is sold, so they will definitely polarize the people. And sometimes they exaggerate the topic. For example, suppose there is a topic, so then they will exaggerate it. Exaggerate means बढ़ा चढ़ा के बोलना. For example, there was a person Abhinandan who went to Pakistan by mistake. There Pakistanis asked many questions to him. Okay, and he answered all the questions. So media started showing that he is talking face to face to the Muslim, like आंखें दिखा के बात कर रहा है. So then after he also announced that don't exaggerate the topic. I have not done something very big. Okay, I have done the normal thing which every Indian should do. And if I talk about the next disadvantage, so next disadvantage of media is that, and it's not a disadvantage for us, it's a disadvantage for media. Sometimes suppose politicians are doing something wrong, so media will show that politicians are doing wrong. So it might be the case that, or it's the case that the politician will we can say he will snatch the license of that media company, or he will complain to the higher office or to the boss of that company. Then he will scold the people, or he will terminate the people. For example, there was a person Ravish Kumar, and he used to talk against the PM. So then what happened? A person came, I think he was Adani, or I think what was the person, I don't know the name. Okay, so then he bought the company, and he terminated him. But nowadays he have a YouTube channel, I think so. And if I talk about the next disadvantage, so next disadvantage is that sometimes media only show about politician. Means I want to say that if you show a ratio, so in 70 video, 20 are of Hindu Muslim, 20 are of religion. Okay, 20 are of we can say appreciation of politics, or we can say Mr. Narendra Modi, and 17 are of, I think 17 or 16 are of development only. So you can see that. But in our country, development is more important, because India is a developing country, not a developed country. And if these things would be there, so loss would be there to our country only. And we'll talk about the reason behind it, that I said that loss will be there of media. As I said that, then Prime Minister, or we can say the politician, will complain to the head, so he will terminate them from the job. Okay, and it might be the case that then boss will held a meeting. Okay, then he will say that show about the appreciation of PM only, and we have to earn money only, because it's a business, and it's in business we have to earn money only. We have not to tell the truth to the people. According to them, झूठ जाए बाहर में, we have to show only appreciation so that we will get money. Okay, they are get paid for it. For example, I want to say, suppose a person can think like why I means badmouth the relation of to the PM. Why I badmouth the PM? Because when the relation is good, so what is the need to sustain? Okay, what is the need to sustain the what's the need to sustain the relation? Okay, when relation is there with PM, so what's the need to sustain the relation with normal people? Okay, when PM relation is sustained, so what can the people do? Because the highest post in India is of PM, so then they will show the appreciation news of PM, so he will be happy, and then they will be paid. But there were question, are they doing right? So according to me, it's a compulsion. If they will show the bad news, okay, not according to me, if they will show the news against prime minister, against politician, so their license will be snatched, so then what can they do? So now conclusion is that we should listen to media, and media is a very good thing, but we should not be polarized, or we should not be exaggerated by media. For example, suppose there are elections, so we should listen to media only. We should not be inspired from media, by which means from media we can get knowledge, and we should also think by our side. It should not be the case that suppose media is saying that PM Modi died, so we will be agreed. We should also search on Google. We should also see practically. So that's the conclusion, and thank you for listening.